In this video, let me show you how to disable the dates before the current day in jQuery UI's Date Picker widget. So if you are developing an online appointment system, the user should not be able to select a date before the current day. That is, on which date the person is trying to book an appointment. The dates before that day should not be selectable. So let us see how we can disable or make the dates before the current day or today non-selectable. So to illustrate this, I have already saved a web page and added reference to the required jQuery and jQuery UI files. Next, we need to have a date picker widget or the calendar. So let me just have a text like date of appointment. Suppose you are trying to develop an online appointment system, okay? And let me add an input element with ID calendar and type text, okay? Next, we need to have the code, that is a jQuery code to disable the required dates. So first, let me have the script section, and within this, let me add it inside the head section, okay? And then let me add the document.ready event. So $document.ready function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces. And then first let us make this input element as a date picker. So what we need to do for that, let me just specify $calendar, that is the ID of the element, and I have to just specify date picker so that this will become a date picker element. Now let me save this. Let me refresh this. See, this is date of appointment, and if I click inside this, it is showing a calendar or date picker widget. So this text box is now a calendar. Now it is looking like this. Suppose I want to change this theme. As of now, the theme is smoothness. Here you could see the theme is smoothness. If you want to select another theme, let me go to the official website of jQuery UI, and here if I go to themes and go to gallery, you could see different kinds of themes. There is one called start. As of now it is smoothness, that is this theme. If I want to make it as start, I can change it here. Instead of smoothness, I can make it as start. Let me save this and refresh. Click. See, now the theme is different. So from here we can choose whatever theme we want. There is one called base, UI lightness is there, UI darkness, smoothness, start, Redmond, sunny. A number of themes are available here. So I have chosen start as a theme. Next, what we need to do, today is 13th April 2021 and I want to disable all the dates before 13th. That is, from here I want all these dates as non-selectable or disabled. So how we can do that? We can make use of the min date option for that. Min date is the option to specify the minimum selectable date, and also there is one called max date. So the min date and max date can be specified in three different formats. One is as a date object, second option is as a number, and the third one is a string. So we are going to make use of the number option. So what we have to do here, inside this, as I have to specify an option, I am putting curly braces and specify min date, and here the value of min date is null by default. So if I do not specify any date, there will be no minimum selectable date, which means all the dates will be selectable. So if I want to specify a minimum date as a number, suppose I specify 5 as the minimum date, what will happen? From today, after 5 dates will be the starting minimum date. Let me show you. Let me refresh. Click here. See, 13 plus 5 is 18 because current date is 13th. Today is 13th April. So 13 plus 5 is 18, which means 18 is the minimum selectable date. All these dates before 18th is non-selectable or disabled. So if I want to make the current day or today as the minimum selectable date, what should I specify here? I can specify 0. The default value is null, not 0. So I am specifying minimum date as 0 means, let me save this. Let me refresh. Click here. See, before 13th, all these dates are now non-selectable. So if you are developing an online appointment system, obviously the dates before today or the date before the current date should not be selectable, right? The user should not be able to select a date like 5th or 12th as his appointment date, as it is not practical. So here you can specify the minimum date as 0. If you want, you can pass date object or even string values to this minimum date option. But as we want to disable all the dates before the current day or before today, I'm using the number option and specifying 0 as the number. If you do not specify anything, all the dates will be selectable as we have seen before. Okay. So this is how we can make dates disabled or non-selectable as we want. In this case, we want to make all the dates before the current day or today as non-selectable. So we have specified the minimum date value as 0.